The moisturizer section at ILLIYOON is overwhelming. It doesn't matter how long you've been into skincare. You walk in, there's an entire wall of creams, and to be honest, every single one of them has some claim on the front that sounds exactly like the one next to it. So today I'm making it simple. I narrowed it down to three moisturizers that I think are actually worth your time and money. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which one is for you. Now, before we get into the actual video, I do want to mention a few things. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just here to guide you through the basics and recommend a few Korean products. And do keep in mind that we all have different skin types, so make sure to check yours. But for your reference, I have dry, sensitive skin, so I can't be slapping anything on my face because my face will react instantly. Hey guys, I'm Lex, former K-pop idol, musical actor, radio DJ, talk show host, and I also have experience working in a Korean skincare company. I want to quickly talk about something that'll actually make everything else make more sense. Your skin has a barrier. Think of it like a wall. When the wall is intact, your skin holds moisture, stays calm, looks good. When it breaks down from stress, dry weather, harsh products, your boss, moisture starts leaking out and your skin gets dry, red, or reactive. All right, here are my product recommendations. The first one, S.NATURE Aqua Squalane Moisturizing Cream. One of the creams that I actually like to use too. And to be honest, I can talk on and on about if you have dry skin, you need the hydration talk. But let me actually go straight into the ingredients and let this do the explanation for you. This formula has squalane at 150,000 ppm, which is actually quite a lot. It's literally the second ingredient on the list, meaning it's one of the highest concentrations in the formula. Why squalane is so effective is that your skin already makes it. This ingredient basically mimics your skin's natural sebum and moisturizes without clogging pores. On top of all that, most oils are either too greasy for oily skin or not moisturizing enough for dry skin. After that, it contains panthenol right at the top of the list, which actually helps repair the barrier and reduce irritation. But there's also 5 forms of hyaluronic acid, which is a banger for hydration. Hyaluronic acid fills hydration in every layer, squalane keeps it from leaving, and panthenol does the repairing. So you can use it in the morning and night as your daily moisturizer. I personally use this in the morning because I use something else at night, which we'll get to in a bit. If you have dry or sensitive skin, next one is the ILLIYOON Ceramide Lotion. You guys know the famous S.NATURE cream, right? That product is great. I've used it, but it caused a couple of breakouts for me. So I looked for something similar, and that's when I found this. So ILLIYOON and S.NATURE are from the same parent company, and they're known to be one of the established research-backed companies in Korea. They do have a cream version, which is much thicker. After using this lotion, my skin literally had that glass skin look everyone's talking about. I want to point out the key ingredients that play a big role. So there are 3 ingredients: ceramide, cholesterol, and phytosphingosine. Having all these 3 together, it's clinically shown to restore barrier more effectively than just ceramide alone. It feels like you're applying the most gentle thing on your face. One thing to keep in mind, it may feel like you have some sort of a coating on your skin, which can actually attract dust, or even in my case, the hair that's been cut off at the hair salon. That's actually why when I have a haircut appointment, I don't use this. That doesn't mean it's greasy. It's actually the opposite feeling of greasy. So it feels like there's hydration working underneath, while that outer coat that I told you about just seals everything in. Like I mentioned before, I personally use this only at night, but of course you can use it morning and night, whether you have sensitive, dry skin like me, or normal, oily combination skin. Next we have the Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid 100 Moisturizing Cream. I do use their toner version of this, but for this cream, you probably have seen this online somewhere because everyone's been talking about it. The number 100 basically means that it keeps your skin hydrated for 100 hours. And to be honest, I've actually never tried the cream version, so I bought this just to test it out for you guys. The reason it made the top 3, I tested it, I liked it. So this product is marketed with having PDRN, hyaluronic acid, and collagen. Up on the list, you see the familiar squalane and niacinamide. But where are the 3 ingredients? PDRN, or sodium DNA, is sitting at 7th position. What I personally like about the tube is that it's got a dropper type. You know how sometimes if you use a regular tip, the product just kind of like blurts out? It's great to use both morning and night. Recommended for all skin types. And if you've been putting off getting into Korean skincare because it seemed complicated, hopefully this helped. It doesn't have to be complicated. Get one thing right and you'll notice it. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're going for, or tell me your skin type and I'll make a separate video for that. I'm Lex, coming to you from Seoul. See you in the next one.